Want to practice sitting, aren't we? We're going to practice our sitting. There we go. All right. Whoop! That was good. Try again. You're doing so good, aren't you? Yep. Good try. Good try. You're doing great. You're doing really great. Remember, you have to use your hands. Remember? There we go. Okay, let's practice standing. Practice standing and balancing. You like that, don't you? You get really excited when it's time to stand, don't you? You just want to walk. You're just ready to walk. If we could learn how to balance, you're ready to go, huh? You ready to go? Can you balance? I don't think you can. Woo! Good try. Good try. He's standing. Good job. Good job. Good job, Monster. I'm so proud of you. Yes? You like this? You're not even 4.5 months old and you want to walk? You're so big. Okay. We'll practice that, won't we? You want to do any tricks? You want to do any tricks? No? You gonna roll over? Why don't you roll over? Roll over! If you're in distress, you need to roll over. Remember? Remember? Whee! Like that. Like that. Silly goofball. Ready? Up! You getting kind of tired? Yeah. Okay, we're done. We're done practicing.